Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. And oh man, the Slow and Sear 22-inch Kettle Grill. Folks, I'll tell you what, this thing is just an awesome cooker. It's got a lot of features that a normal kettle, 22-inch kettle doesn't have. For instance, it comes with standard side shelf that folds down. It's got a probe port hole, awesome. Lid bail, and a smoke hole right there. See it? Nice clean out, stainless steel. Tell you what, this thing's got it all. And to make it even better, because it's a slow and sear, it's got a slow and sear in it. So we're going to be doing some bacon wrapped firecracker sausage today, folks. Oh, it's going to be so good here. And we're going to do it indirect and let them go low and slow, get some nice smoke in there. Going to be delicious. Why don't you go take a look at that sausage while I go get this thing fired up. Oh man, there it is, the Johnsonville Firecracker Spicy Sausage. I got 2 strips of bacon. I'm going to wrap 2 of them, and we're going to get this indirect, show you the setup on the grill. Right, the official charcoal of SNS grills. Well, no, it's not, but it should be, because it's B&B charcoal. Hotter, longer, cleaner. What more should you say? All right, smoke's rolling on the SNS, folks. To give you a look at the setup, just put them on. So I got the bottom vent still is wide open, top vent's wide open. This is kind of an after work cook, so I'm not really going to go very low and slow for very long. If any, I may just leave this setup because I am indirect. And there's our indirect. We've got our B&B charcoal. We only put like half of the SNS. Got a chunk of hickory over there. And then there's our firecracker sausage. I got a drip tray down below, an older one, and just put some warm water in there. And that's it, folks. Give you a look-see as we proceed. Oh, I'm hungry. Ain't that a beautiful view? You got this gorgeous SNS grill and then the Old Glory there in the background. Oh man, I'll tell you what. I tell you what, let's take a look at our temp here. It's coming up the temp really quick here. And I'm going to show you kind of a trick here. And the great thing about the SNS grills here is they have come up with what's called a smoke hole. And it is right there. And you can see right there, we're going to open it. See it? See it right there? And anyway, this is just what it says. It's a smoke hole. And what we're going to do once we get up to temp here, and we are up to temp, is we're going to close our bottom vent all the way. And we're going to let the smoke hole do the trick. And that should hold it right around that 225. Now, this is not only for a smoke hole for venting. If you wanted to get a thermostatically controlled blower, David Parrish, I hope I said that right, this is where that would go. And if you watch Tom Horseman on YouTube, you'll see that I have one. And there's also a hint that the people at SNS might be coming up with their own. And I don't know if I'm supposed to share this, but I've also heard the hint that they may have a rotisserie attachment coming real soon, along with a pizza stone attachment for this grill. Oh man, I'm telling you folks, I'm all about accessories, and those are accessories that are needed for this gorgeous grill. So I'll tell you what, keep on going here, give you a look-see. All right folks, an hour into it. I did a half an hour just with the smoke hole open. So folks, I'll tell you what, that is almost perfect. Dialed it into about 225, 235 right in there. And now we're running right around 300, a little over 300, maybe about 315, 325. Let's take a quick look here after an hour. Oh man, look at that sausage. Look at that color on there from the smoke. Look at that B&B. I'll tell you what, I probably put too much in there. That's how great that charcoal is, folks. Keep on watching, give you a look-see as we finish. It's going to be a short video today. It just cooked so awesome, there wasn't a whole lot to show you. Oh man, folks, couldn't wait for you. I already took a bite. But these Johnsonville Firecracker on the SNS Kettle Grill, tell you what, with that B&B charcoal, that one lump of hickory on there, nicely smoked, look at that. And then, I didn't have any onions, I wish I did, but I don't, but I sure love this Secret Stadium sauce. That stuff is awesome. So, folks, I hope you enjoy this SNS grills. I'll leave the link down below. Awesome. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, folks, I can't say it enough. I really, really, really appreciate you watching. Thank you.